Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to make the custom Canva frame. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do here, you can open this canva.com and after that you can click create, and here I will choose the custom size and choose the width like this. Width will be in the 1200 and also the height gonna be 800 and click create new design. And for example, here I will put the object gonna be the USA map. You can click this element and for example I will type USA map like this, and I will go to the see all and select this one, and I will also adjust the size, and after that you can start to click share and download it into the PNG format and make sure it will have the background or would be transparent background, and click download and kindly wait for the process. And the next step, you can start to move on to this Photopea. Go to this photopea.com and click open from computer, and you can start to upload the picture that you have just downloaded from the Canva like this. And I will also start to select every single object in this picture by clicking this, by push the control in your keyboard, press it first and click it like this. And after that you can start to go to this path and select this selection to path, and after that you can go to this layer, vector mesh and current path. If you go to this layer, you'll see that this will be the mesh in the gray section or the gray map, or it means that we can start to put the, let's say, the picture that will also fit into this USA map, guys. So the next step you do in this Photopea is go to this file and select this export as and go to this PDF and kindly wait for the next section. You can start to give the name of your project, for example USA map mesh, for example, and click save. And after that you can go back to this Canva, go to this home page, and you can start to drag this file from this Photopea, click it, hold it until it will be uploaded into this section, this one. You can start to open it, and after that this will be the map that we have just made from this Photopea. So you can click this and adjust the position in the middle, and you can start to keep this object being selected and click this delete and delete image. So this will be the area that we can change from the solid color or the filled color into the, let's say, the picture of your family or maybe the flag of the USA. So you can click this element, and for example you can start to select the element over here, or you can also use the recently used. And for example, if you would like to change to become this color, so you can start to click this and start to move it, let's say to the left or to the right, until you'll see here that this USA map now has the, let's say, the gradation color like this. And if you would like to change or fill this USA map to be this USA flag, so you can start to select the USA map here for example this one. And if you find it that there is no change at all, don't worry guys. So if you select one of these flag, this Canva usually give you the magic recommendation. So you can start to try it out by select this one, for example this one, and start to click it and hold it and move it to the, let's say to the left or to the right, until you can let it off, and there you go. This USA flag now fill into or filling this USA map, and this will be the customized frame that you can create from this Canva. So that's all guys. I hope this video found you helpful, and don't forget to try this tutorial. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.